Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's have a look on the Bitcoin market. So last time we talked about the potential stronger retracement to the upside, although overall context remains bearish. On Monday we have on Thursday we have discussed some signs that potentially could lead market to a bit more extended retracement, somewhere in an area of the 90 even. On the intraday charts, it might be looking like kind of the ABCD pattern, which potentially could give us larger Gartley's triple to sell on a daily chart. But it has happened so that after the impressive sell-off that has happened previously, so investors have got the cash on the selling of the Bitcoin, and it was enough to fulfill the margin obligations on the stock markets. After that, the stock market hasn't dropped significantly, so all the stuff that we have on the Bitcoin turns to some sideways action. It's a bit come down, and actually recent upward action has been reestablished only in the weekend. So today we see the continuation of the performance that started on Sunday. On a working days, as you can see that after we have prepared this update, two sessions were actually flat. So from that standpoint of view, nothing has changed significantly. We're still watching for the same scenario that we discussed last time. On the 4-hour time frame chart, you could see that market is still moving inside of the channel that we have specified. On Thursday, we said that if you would like to, you could try to trade inside of the channel, so selling on the top, buying on the bottom. But, well, not a lot of traders following this scenario, and, well, usually investors are trying to get some clear patterns. For example, inside of the channel, first we could get the Gartley's triple to buy, right, for potential entry. The upper continuation getting A, B, C, D extension, right? So currently is also we are getting the pattern that is forming, and this pattern is butterfly. So if you take a look at the hourly chart, you could see that inside of the channel we have kind of the butterfly. 127 extension stands around 88.74, which agrees with the top of the channel and very close to the fib level that we have here. While 1618 extension, once it will be formed, it will be approximately 90.20, which is more corresponds to the daily resistance. 90.20 stands inside, particularly inside of this conference area, and agrees with this ABCD action, which is probably will be more important for the daily time performance. And those of you who would like to take the short position on the Bitcoin probably should keep an eye on this more extended butterfly. So that's actually what we have currently on the Bitcoin market. We still think that bearish context has not been destroyed yet totally on a longer term charts, on the weekly in particular. This we treat as a pullback by far, and since here we have very strong resistance area, already mentioned it many times, we suggest that this combination of patterns and targets will provide relatively safe chances to consider taking the short position, because really high probability that market will show at least technical response to this strong resistance area. If even later we will get upside breakout, first touch should lead to the some response on this level, and that makes chances for short entry relatively safe. So low risk with this trade. And that's particularly what we will be watching for. If you would like to take scalp long position with this target, theoretically you could try to do this if you want, although this is not our primary object. Here you will have to stack this butterfly probably, and I don't know, maybe hiding the stop somewhere below the trend line, or also the butterfly or something. But this is up to you, because we're mostly focused on the longer term scenarios. particularly on the daily and higher time frame. So that's why we're watching mostly for bearish position here. So that's all for today, and let's see what we will get here.